Okay, so we're working on our chain stitch next.
Yes.
Okay, so how do we do that?
Yes. It's just like crocheting on fabric. I move forward.
Oh, okay, I see.
Like that.
So what's the benefit of just doing a normal chain stitch like this?
It's just the beginning stage of tambour. You can't move to the tambour if you don't know the chain stitches.
Okay.
That is it. If you don't know about chain stitches, you can't move. I tell you, this is the first class in tambour class. You can see it.
You make it look so easy. It's not that easy.
As I'm going slowly.
Yeah, I'm going slowly.
Like this.
Okay, so how do we do it again?
So I pick it.
Okay.
Come up.
Okay. Then go in again with the same loop.
Yes.
And then pick. Okay, I see. So it's looping, 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 loop.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I can decide to just, because I want to cross, I'll go back following the same length of.
Why am I crossing?
To create, I can use it to fill up this whole space.
I still don't understand the essence of the chain stitch.
That is the first stage in tambour beading.
Before we now start putting the beads on it. Okay,
Yes.
okay, I get it.
You can't move if you don't know about this.
Okay.
You can't move.
So are you saying if you have 6 years of fabric, you're going to do chain stitch all over?
Maybe if you are making a lace like fabric. Yes.
How many hours is it going to take you to do
It's
this?
very fast when you get hold of it.
Wow.
It's very fast.
I can't imagine doing this on a whole 6 years of fabric.
Well, people do it now. That is haute couture beading now.
Seriously.
That is haute couture beading. You do it in India and France.
I'm sure there are machines that do all this.
There are machines, but the handmade stuffs are more valuable than machines.
No wonder they're so expensive.
Yes. So you just trim it off.
Okay. Okay, so what next after this? It would be good to quickly see like a quick.
Then I'll have to string beads, then decorat it.